The GroupWise folder list is the central hub for organizing the items that you send and receive, and gives you quick access to your information. In this video, I'll show you how to use and organize your folder list in GroupWise 2014. This is the GroupWise folder list. The folder list lets you organize your GroupWise items such as mail, appointments, tasks, and notes by creating folders to store them in. There are three types of lists that can be displayed in GroupWise: the Favorites folder list, the Simple folder list, and the Full folder list. The Full folder list is the one that's currently displayed. You can select any combination of these lists depending on what works best for you. Please note that if the folder list is displayed, you must have at least one folder list view selected. Now, let's explore each type of folder list. The Favorites folder list displays a customized list of folders you choose. This list is useful for accessing folders that you use often, and because folders are added and removed manually, it's easy to manage. By default, only the frequently used folders list appears in the Favorites folder list space. If you regularly use folders that don't also appear in your Favorites folder list or on the nav bar at the top of the screen, they will be added to the frequently used folder list. To add a folder to your Favorites folder list, you right-click it in the Full folder list and select Add to Favorites. The folder immediately displays in the Favorites list. Repeat these steps to add whichever folders you want. Now let's look at the Simple folder list. The Simple folder list is contextual, meaning that it only displays folders that relate to the folder that you currently have open. For example, when you're in the Mailbox view, the Simple folder list displays the Cabinet folder and its subfolders so that you can easily file away any items that come into your mailbox. If you click the Frequent Contacts folder, it displays your address books. By clicking the Calendar, it displays your calendar and all sub-calendars. The Simple folder list is most useful when used in conjunction with the nav bar, since it offers focus for the folder that you're currently viewing. Last, let's look at the Full folder list. The Full folder list displays a complete list of all of your folders. Folders that contain additional levels of organization can be expanded or closed as needed to allow for easier navigation. Now, I'll show you how you can use subfolders to keep your mailbox manageable. Creating a new subfolder within an existing folder is simple. First, I right-click the folder where I want the subfolder to be placed in the Full or Simple folder list. Then, I click New Folder. I type a name for the new folder and press Enter. If I accidentally create the new folder in the wrong place, I can drag and drop it to a new location. By right-click dragging a folder, I can perform more complex organizational tasks. I can perform similar actions by clicking Edit, Folders. When you need to hide the folder list, you can do so by clicking the folder list icon in the upper right corner of the GroupWise interface. The icon is located directly below the Minimize button. You can use this same action to restore the list. You can also click View, Folder List to hide or show the folder list. And just because the folder list is hidden, it doesn't mean it's inaccessible. For drag and drop operations, you can move an item into a different folder in the folder list by dragging it to the left side of the GroupWise interface. The folder list will appear so that you can organize without interruption. As a key part of your organizational arsenal, the GroupWise folder list keeps you productive by presenting and ordering your data to fit your needs. To learn more about Novell GroupWise, please visit novell.com/documentation. Thanks for watching.